Assalamu alaikum. We teach our children to read Qur'an. We encourage them to memorize it. We feel proud when they recite it beautifully. But in our quest to perfect their relationship with the words, have we accidentally neglected their relationship with the speaker? The Qur'an is not a trophy to be displayed. It is a living conversation from Allah to our hearts. Our goal isn't just to produce a qari. It's to nurture a heart that finds in the Qur'an its solace, its guide, and its best friend. Today we learn how to move the Qur'an from a subject they study to a companion they love. The first shift is in our own mindset. We must measure success not just in pages or surahs, but in presence and connection. Under young children the Qur'an with reverence. Let them hear its sound as the background music of your home. A 5-minute Qur'an time where you hold them and listen to a short, melodious recitation is worth more than an hour of forced reading. We're older children. Connect verses to their life. Feeling scared about a test? Let's listen to the ayat where Allah says, "Do not grieve, indeed, Allah is with us." Ask not, "How much did you read?" but, "What did you feel when you heard that verse?" Your most powerful tool is the 3-minute family Tafakkur, or reflection. Pick one short verse. Read it slowly. Ask, "What is Allah telling us here?" Share one thought. Once a week after a meal, choose one short, powerful verse. For example, "Verily, with hardship comes ease." Read it aloud beautifully. Ask one open question. What do you think ease can look like? When have you felt this? Let everyone share a simple thought. No wrong answers. This practice teaches them that the Qur'an speaks to their reality. It's not a historical document. It's a personal message. Children understand heroes, journeys, and challenges. The Qur'an is full of them. We need to frame its stories as the ultimate hero's journey. Tell the stories with wonder. Imagine Prophet Yunus in the deep, dark sea, surrounded by a giant whale. What dua did he make that saved him? What would you do if you were Prophet Ibrahim, told to leave your family in an empty desert? Where did his courage come from? Don't just list events. Explore the heart of the story, the trust, the fear, the ultimate help from Allah. Make them feel they are part of this eternal story of struggle and victory. You can check out Prophet storybooks in my bookstore. You can find the link in video description. Coming back, your action is to co-create a Qur'an corner and a daily listening ritual. A special, respected spot for the Qur'an. Let your child help set it up. Choose a cloth, a small stand. 5-minute ritual. Each day, spend just 5 minutes there. You can listen to one short recitation on a phone app together, or you read 2 lines. The key is consistency and calm. This physical space and tiny ritual build a daily habit of connection, not obligation. To transform your child's relationship with the Qur'an, 1. Shift the goal from recitation quantity to heart connection quality. 2. Practice Tafakkur. Use the 3-minute recitation, family reflection to find relevance. 3. Frame the stories. Tell the Quranic narratives as the ultimate hero's journey. 4. Make the 5-minute daily listening ritual. When the Qur'an becomes a friend, its guidance becomes a lifelong compass. Next, we'll start applying this spiritual foundation to the pillars of action, beginning with Salah, building a prayer-friendly home. You can check out a wonderful course on Qur'an education from Divine Script. You can find the link from the video description. If you join from my link, you will get 10% off for the complete duration of your membership. Subscribe for the next step. May Allah make the Qur'an the light of our hearts and the joy of our children's lives. You can support my work by supporting me on Patreon and checking out links to my books and art store in the video description. Jazak Allah khairan.